So today I decided to do a look more inspired of a smoky, like a very light smoky eye look. Not a very light, just a slight smoky eye look. And this is the finished product. And if you want to see how I did this look, please continue watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. So first things I'm gonna use is my Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturizer. Next thing I'm gonna use is the Maybelline Matte Super Stay in the shade Classic Ivory. Don't forget the neck area. You don't want your neck more darker than your own face. So we're done with the foundation, and the next step is the concealer. And me personally, I like to use two different shades, like a darker shade for my forehead, for my T-zone and my chin, and a brighter shade for under my eyes. Usually use a lighter color for under the eyes because you want your eye to glow, and for a look like this, for the smoky look, or for like a look that will have a lot of eyeshadow, then it's much better, it's much advised to have like a brighter under eye concealer. Okay, so we're done, and we're going to blend it out with my little baby egg sponge. So after we've already blended the foundation, the concealer, it's much better if you want to mattify the effect of your foundation and concealer and make it stay longer by using a translucent face powder. So here I have my translucent face powder. So next step is the eyebrows, and what I usually use for my eyebrows is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Universal something stencil kit. That I like to keep my eyebrows for a long time if we're having like a long day outside. So I like to use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. finally we're done with the eyebrows, and next thing we're going to do is eyeshadow. It's much advised to put some concealer on the eyelids, so this is what I'm gonna do. And it makes the colors, the eyeshadow colors that you're about to apply, more visible and more nice to look at, whatever. So the palette I'm gonna be using is the NYX Contour Intuitive. First shade I'm gonna use is this bright shade, just to start out with like a white base. Next thing I'll be using is the light brown shade. I'll just apply it to the corner of my eye. After this, we're going to use the darker shade of brown. So after we finish this, we're going to try and blend out the corners of the eyeshadow that I applied. So just like that. So next we're going to use the Sleep Makeup in I Divine eyeshadow palette. Just the black color that we're gonna use in this palette for today. And next step, don't forget to put also in the lower lid. So I prefer to use the color red with brown. So red in the inner corner and brown in the outer corner. So this isn't a very heavy smoky look. I'm still gonna apply some eyeliner. So my technique with the eyeliner is, because my hands are a bit shaky, so I like to use or make an outline first before I actually put the liquid liner in my eyes. So I will use the color black with this angled brush. And I will just do a bit of a small line here in the corner, outer corner of my eye. So we're done doing the outline of the the eyeliner, and now we're going to use the Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner by Maybelline. We're done with the eyeliner in the upper, and right now I'm just gonna put a normal line down on my lower lid. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna apply the L'Oreal Fall / X Fiber mascara. There's number 1 and 2. I'm gonna use number 1 because it makes your eyelashes more voluminous. Okay. So after that, we're going to highlight the main parts of the face. We're gonna use a blush on by Vice in the shade of Winner. Next thing we're gonna put is some highlighter on our cheekbone. This is my favorite part because I love watching the, highlighter go through my skin. It's just like, sunrise. Yeah. So the next thing we're gonna do is apply lipstick, and my current favorite shades are these two. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shades of Loyalist and Self-Starter. Starter. So next thing we're gonna put some lip gloss on top of this using the LA Colors High Shine Lip Gloss, just to give it some glossiness, because if you have a matte eyeshadow, then it's preferred to use lip gloss, but if you have like a glossy eyeshadow or metallic or something like that, then it's preferred to use just matte lipsticks. So there we go. Before we finish, we're gonna apply some setting spray, Maybelline Master Fix. that's it for today. I hope you like this look, and if you do, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.